two. Good evening, candidate number two.
Good evening too.
How are you feeling this time?
I'm feeling nervous.
Yeah? Hindi halata. Alright. So, are you ready for your questions?
I'm not ready, but no choice. I want to answer that question.
Alright. Here is your question, or candidate number two. What's one thing you'd like to see change in the world for LGBTQ plus people? Again. What one thing you'd like to see change in the world for LGBTQ plus people?
Thank you. One thing I want to change for LGBTQ community is a brother. Repeat.
Alright, I will repeat the question since I think you didn't get the whole point of the questions. What one thing you'd like to see change in the world for LGBTQ plus people? What one thing you'd like to see change in the world for LGBTQ plus people?
One thing I want to see to change LGBT community people is brother and more consistent legal and protections against discrimination. No matter what they live, no matter or what their background is environments were respected, supported, and treated with dignity. That's what I want, and that is the best for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, our candidate number two. Oh, ako ay mo ba